Hi. Hi. What is your name?
Doggy Tina.
Christina what?
Tina doggy.
Oh, Christina is your doggy?
Yeah.
And what is your name?
Tina Gretch.
Christina Gretch. Very good. How old are you?
2.
Oh, that's so cute. Okay, let's see if you know your ABCs. Alright, ready? Okay. What is this letter?
C. Cat.
Okay. What is this letter?
E. S. F.
Say it louder.
Fox.
Good. What is this letter?
Fish.
Okay, but what is the letter?
F.
F.
Fish.
Good.
Gong.
What is this letter?
E. Ball.
Ball. Very good. What is this one?
Nexus.
Necklace. Beautiful. What is this letter?
P. Pig.
Good. What is this letter?
B. Birdies.
Birdies. Very good.
Quack.
What is this letter?
H. Heart.
What is your heart? Oh, your heart is there?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. What is this letter?
A. Apple.
Apple. Very good. What is this letter?
B.
What is this letter?
B.
No. Think about it. What is this letter?
Oh, come on.
Ruff, ruff.
Dog. Woof woof.
So what is this letter?
Dog. Dog. Woof woof.
D. Right?
Yeah.
What about this one?
Woof. Ducks. Baby.
Come on.
B.
D. What is this letter?
T.
Turtle. Good.
Turtle.
What about this one? Zebra. Rocket. Very nice. Kangaroo. What is this letter? Good one. What about this one?
X-ray.
You know it already.
E. X. Down.
What is this one?
Wrist.
Nest.
Yes.
What is this one?
E. Elephant. Quack quack. Quack.
Seal.
Seal.
Very good, Chris. You know your ABCs. Are you done? Where are you going? Oh, you want to see yourself with how you know the ABCs. Very good. Okay, say bye-bye to everybody. Are you going to say bye-bye?
No.
All right, bye.